Let's make karaage chicken. It's honestly one of my most favorite ways of eating chicken. It's crispy, it's tender, and it's just so flavorful. You'll need soy sauce, sesame oil, mirin, saké, chicken thigh fillets, some garlic, a thumb of ginger, and potato starch, plus salt and pepper to taste, and a teaspoon of sugar. Get a big bowl, mix equal parts of the sake and soy sauce, then add a tablespoon of mirin. The exact measurements is in the description down below. Now it's time to sort the ginger and garlic out, which firstly, just get a thumb of ginger and peel that the way I'm peeling it here. It takes so long to peel ginger. Like, look at how uncoordinated I am. Also, my mom told me off for not using the nice chopping board. So here I am just grating the ginger, just grate that into the wet mixture that's chilling in that bowl. Just like get it all in there, and then it's time for garlic. Like, you measure garlic with your heart. Like, I want it a bit garlicky, so I put 3 cloves. Usually people just want to put one, but you know what? I like to live life on the edge. So we're gonna put 3 pieces of garlic cloves in there. Yep, so just use the same grater, grate that into the sauce until it's nice and minced. This is a new grater that my mom bought, and it's my first time using it, and I'm doing it super awkwardly. Like, it's not even grating properly. I'm not using it well. Anyway, that concentration face, I just want to get it all in there and put it all in the sauce. There we go. We did it. We did it, Joe. Okay, what's next? We're gonna do the chicken now. The chicken thigh fillets. I couldn't get anything with skin on, which is, I think it makes for better chicken because it's crispier and it's just delicious. I used to get my fillets from service foods home, and they just stopped doing home deliveries, and they had the best chicken because it had all the skin and just perfect. Anyway, this is all I could find, so we're just gonna roll with it. Gonna cut that into nice chunks, like bite-sized pieces. Again, there's just no method to the madness. I'm just chopping it and using the not nice chopping board according to my mom. So we're just gonna chop that into chunks right there. And when we're ready, we put a bit of sugar into the bowl, the wet mixture, because we need a bit of sugar, and some pepper, which is very yummy, and a splash of sesame oil. Like, not too much, like literally, this is just a splash. Mix that together before adding in the chicken, because that's basically your marinade done. Like, oh, look at that. It just looks so delicious. I'm just, oh, I wish you could smell it from the screen. So there we go. Just add the chicken pieces in. Boom, add that in. Just get them all in there. Like, nice and cozy. Just all those chunks. There we go. And then you're gonna want to mix it. I think some people use gloves. I just get in there with my hands and just give it a good wash after. My hands, not the chicken. Do not wash the chicken. Like, you want it marinating. So just marinate that like that. Make sure they're all evenly coated and just cozy, and just, yeah. I like to make extra marinade because I want my chicken covered. Like, I want them entirely covered in a bath. Okay, while that's marinating, put together your potato starch, and it has to be potato starch. That's what makes it crispy. And some oil for deep frying. I don't have an air fryer. If you have that, maybe that would work. Like, I'm pretty sure the recipe would work if you have an air fryer, so just go with it. Anyway, first method is to get a piece of chicken and coat it in the potato starch mixture and set it aside. Also, I added a bit of salt in this potato starch mixture. I just didn't show you, but there's a bit of salt in there, like just a pinch, because the soy sauce is already salty. Okay, to do that like that, and then make sure to shake off excess. And this is the other method of doing it, which I was testing out different recipes, well, different methods of frying. So take some chicken and add the potato starch directly. So this will give you karaage chicken that's more flavorful but not as crispy. So the other one is flavorful and crispy. So if you don't have a lot of time, like just do it there. Like it's fine for like a weeknight dinner, and you just can't be bothered doing separate like dredging into potato starch. Just add it in. It's still delicious. Anyway, this is the dredged version. Just deep frying that until they're golden and just nice and crispy. Like look at that crunch. I am all about it. Yeah, so do that until it's ready. Just I didn't time it. I think just a couple of minutes. Like it should be fine. As long as they're golden. Boom, they should look like that. Put some lemon in there while it's hot. Serve it with some Japanese mayo and a big bowl of rice. And there you have it.